Welcome back. The High Court has directed to tighten the punishment structure to stop illegal sand mining in the state. During final hearing on a related PIL on Tuesday, the bench suggested measures like confiscating sand transporting vehicle and fine of 10 times the market value of sand. However, government is yet to decide whether illegally extracted sea sand is to be restored in the river or to be auctioned.
The High Court of Bombay at Goa on Tuesday gave certain directions to Goa government to incorporate in proposed new sand mining policy. The High Court directed the government to frame rules according to which illegally extracted sand will be seized along with the transporting vehicle. The offender will have to pay 10 times of the market value of the seized sand. The High Court directed government to make the rule to confiscate the transporting vehicles like canoes. Advocate General also said that as per amicus curiae's suggestion, the leasee will be granted a lease with a condition restricting him to extract sand not more than 3 meters. The condition will be incorporated in new sand mining policy. However, government is yet to decide whether illegally extracted sand is to be restored in the river or to be auctioned. But Advocate General opined before the court that sand restoration process is difficult. The High Court disposed of the suo motu PIL with above directions. Our reporter Mukesh Kumar from High Court for Prudent.
Additional Sessions Court at Mapsa has dismissed the anticipatory bail plea of suspended head constable of Govt Police Station, Vaman Naik. Havaldar Vaman Naik is accused of running a sex racket. The crime branch had revealed a horrible story of financial and sexual exploitation of prostitutes and transgenders in Govt area. The police sources informed that Vaman Naik's health condition will be examined before arresting him.
The hearing was held on Tuesday at the Additional Sessions Court Mapsa on anticipatory bail application of suspended head constable Vaman Naik. However, Naik did not attend the hearing. He abstained, claiming that he is medically unfit to attend the hearing. Court has dismissed his anticipatory bail plea. Now, sources from Goa police claim that Naik's health will be examined and accordingly will decide on his arrest. Crime branch had earlier opposed the anticipatory bail plea of Vaman Naik before Additional Session Court at Mapsa. The crime branch CID is investigating the case of financial and sexual exploitation of prostitutes and transgenders at Govt area by suspended head constable Vaman Naik, and other accused has presented very dark side of police department. Crime branch in its say submitted that Vaman Naik sometime in 2010 caught the complainant doing sex trade, but instead of rescuing her, Naik had forcefully physically exploited her and started blackmailing her. Naik started threatening her and extorting money from her on regular basis, and whenever complainant failed to give asked amount, Naik and other accused constable used to ask for sexual favor. Crime branch also found that accused were used to extort money from other sex workers and transgenders, and someone could not give money, they used to sexually exploit them. Crime branch has also mentioned a stance that accused policemen had recovered many gold articles and cash from a robber group of transgenders, and instead of arresting them, they took the gold articles and cash and let the robbers go. Our senior reporter Lokik Shilkar and Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Weights and Measures Department officials raided a sanitary fitting shop at Madgaon. They seized packed products without bearing any basic details and MRP on it. The officials seized products worth 3.5 lakh rupees. They acted upon a complaint from a consumer.
There are ample of complaints from the public that certain goods, these sanitary fittings and all, that without MRP or without some declaration, they are selling it over here, and for the price as they want. So accordingly we have to initiate with the action, and this is one of the part of our action over here.
How much do you think potentially such things are happening
There are many cases. We are tracing many cases in Goa regarding mostly with these sanitary fittings, and the plumbing material. So you can see all the boxes over here, they are without any declaration.
This process continue?
Yeah, definitely. This is not the first time. You can see
only South Goa or North Goa?
Everywhere in throughout Goa it is.
कस्टमरांनी ऑफिसांनी कंप्लेंट दिली की विर्जिनकार शॉपाचेर आपल्याक सॅनिटरी हार्डवेराचे एक आयटम दिला विदाउट MRP म्हणजे तेणे आपल्या हातान बरयल्लो MRP. मागीर इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन करून पळयलें जाल्यार कोण सुशांत जैन, सुप्रीम टेम्पल गार्डन नियर बाबू नायक हॉल आख्या मडगांव गोवा त्याच्या दुकानात तो ही जो सप्लायर तो माल तांकां सप्लाय करतालो. इन्स्पेक्शन केल्यानंतर तिचे कडेन त्याच्या दुकानार वचून आमी रेड मारली आणि 3.5 लाखाचो माल जप्त केला.
A reporter from Margaon, Pratik Parab.
Now a look at the other happenings in the state.
Fathoda MLA Vijay Sardesai, who claims himself to be the lone opposition, has ended up demanding concessional rate for tickets of Sunburn 2012 for the Goan youth. Vijay opposes Sunburn 2012 until government confirms that no illegal activities will be carried out at the event. Media grilled Vijay on Sunburn issue and his stand.
We can have it there.
Just clear your position on whether you want Sunburn festival to happen or not.
See, the question is whether I want or not is not relevant. A cabinet decision has been taken.
No, yours. What is your stand?
My stand is that if Sunburn festival is to be held, it has to be held in a much different way. It has to have Goan organizers. It cannot have outsider organizers. Secondly, Goan youth should be given concession and strict. It is not only smoking. Strict adherence to the rules. As the tourism minister म्हणटा की आपण गोंया साउथ गोवान हाडटा, हांव गव्हर्मेंटाक चॅलेंज करता की साउथ गोवान हाडचें, म्हजे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन हाडचें, हांव सगळे गोंयच्या तरणाट्यांक 1000 रुपयान एंट्री दिवपाक शकतालो. कशी दिवप तें हांव पळयतां.
Mermaid statue at Panji, one of the Goa's finest statues, is at long last being restored to its original state by a gifted sculptor, Ghansham Ananchari. The statue will be officially inaugurated on Goa's Liberation Day by Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar. The garden will also host many festivities. The celebration recognizes the mermaid statue as a symbol of transformation.
We are also talking of the road which goes up from the Mermaid to Fontainebleau, which I would like to call it the Sea Wolves Road. I don't know whether any of you are aware that the Sea Wolves movie was filmed on that road.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.